Okay, I just wanted to go over this question real quick. This is a little bit of a tough question, but I'll do the best I can to answer it. I'm assuming this person is working as a coder already, because this isn't really a student question. Okay, it says, I'm confused as to when to use RT or LT modifiers because I lost points for using one for a muscle manipulation. Where do you learn about what and when to use them? Okay, so basically this question is saying, how do you know if a CPT code is bilateral or not, and whether to use an LT or RT modifier or modifier 50? Now there's a couple different places you could look for that. The first place you would check is the insurance company that you're billing to. Some insurance companies have weird rules and they don't always follow, what CMS would recommend. So that's the first place you would check. So for my specialty, it was radiology coding, and we didn't use modifier 50 that often. Usually it was the LT or RT modifiers. But again, every once in a while, an insurance company would want a CPT code billed with modifier 50. So after that, if you still don't know or you still need to get clarification, the next thing you would do is check the physician's fee schedule, and that's on the CMS website, and you'll need to look for the CPT code's bilateral indicator. Okay, so I'm going to go on the CMS website and show you guys the bilateral indicators so you can see what I mean. Okay, so I'm on the CMS website. These are the definitions of the different bilateral indicators. Okay, bilateral indicator 0, that code should not be reported with a 50 or an RT or LT modifier. Bilateral indicator 1. Okay, so for this one, you would use modifier 50 if it was done bilaterally. Okay, if it's unilateral, you would use RT or LT. Okay, bilateral indicator 2 means that the code already is bilateral. Okay, so you would not use 50 or LT or RT. And bilateral indicator 3 means that these codes are not bilateral, so you would not use 50, LT, or RT. Okay, so those were just the definitions. Now I'm going to show you guys the physician fee schedule. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this is the lookup tool. Okay, so I'm just going to type in a code. I typed in 73722, and then I'm just going to click search fees. Okay, and this is what comes up, and the screen is kind of small, so I'm just scrolling from the bottom. Okay, until I get to this column right here for bilateral. It says the indicator for this code is 3. So just going back to the definition, this code is not bilateral, so I would not use modifier 50. Okay, I know that was a little bit of a long-winded explanation to this question. If you still need help, let me know the CPT code. You could write it in the comments, or you could email me at lindsay@midnightmedicalcoding.com.